Hi friends, welcome back to Guide for All. In this session, we are going to discuss most important current affairs of 23rd November 2021. Let's begin with the first question. Which police station has ranked as the best police station of India for the year 2021 by Ministry of Home Affairs? So, correct answer is Sadar Bajar Police Station. So, Sadar Bajar Police Station has been ranked as the best police station of India for the year 2021 by Ministry of Home Affairs. So, Sadar Bajar Police Station is located in Delhi. Apart from this, Gangapur PS stands for police station. It is in Odisha. Is ranked as a second best police station. It's in second place. And Battukalam PS in Haryana ranked as a third best police station. So apart from this, New Delhi ranked as the world's most polluted cities. What is the world most polluted cities by IQ Air. And then Kolkata and Mumbai. Then Mumbai and Kolkata also included in top 10 world most polluted cities. So move to next question. Which state or union territory police has topped the IPF Smart Policing Index 2021 report by the Indian Police Foundation? So correct answer is Andhra Pradesh. So Andhra Pradesh police has topped the IPF Smart Policing Index 2021 while Telangana ranked second place, while Telangana police ranked second, and Assam police ranked third place, while Bihar police occupied last position. Apart from this, recently Andhra Pradesh AP withdraw three capital bill. So Amravati will be sole capital. Amravati. It will be the only capital. So move to next question. Which state has urged as the cleanest state of India under Swachh Sarvekshan 2021? So correct answer is Chhattisgarh. So recently 6th edition of Swachh Sarvekshan Awards released. It is presented by President of India. It is 6th edition. So presented by President of India. President of India. Actually, this is organized by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. So, under the part of Swachh Bharat Mission, as part of Swachh Bharat Mission, Swachh Bharat Mission, and under state category, first place Chhattisgarh. Second MH, third Gujarat, and in cities, first place Indore, second Surat, third place Vijayawada. Well, cleanest district Surat. அடுத்தது cleanest district New Delhi is cleanest city. Small cleanest city. New Delhi ranked as a small cleanest city. And Noida ranked as a medium cleanest city. And Navi Mumbai ranked as a biggest clean city. So move to next question. Who has won the 2021 F1 Qatar Grand Prix? So correct answer is Lewis Hamilton. So recently Lewis Hamilton won Qatar Grand Prix. Let's talk about Lewis Hamilton. Lewis Hamilton is a British Formula 1 racer. British Formula 1 F1 racer, currently racing for Mercedes, and he became the first F1 driver to win 100 races, 100 F1 races, and this came after the victory at Russian GP Grand Prix. Move to next question. On which date World Day of Remembrance of Road Traffic Victims is observed every year? So correct answer is 3rd Sunday of November. So every year on 3rd Sunday of November month is observed as a World Day of Remembrance of Road Traffic Victims. So this time it's on 21st November. So apart from this day, now let's talk about some more days, important days. On same day, November 21, we observed World Television Day. and then same days World Fisheries Day. World Fisheries Day. Move to next question. Who has been appointed as a permanent CEO of ICC? So correct answer is Geoff Allardyce. So recently Geoff Allardyce has been appointed as a permanent CEO of ICC. So ICC stands for International Cricket Council. So ICC is a world governing body of cricket. In 1909 it was founded. 1909 it was founded as a Imperial Cricket Association. So Imperial Cricket Association, and it took its present name in 1987. It got present name means International Cricket Council. Its headquarters is in Dubai. But it's in UAE. UAE stands for United Arab Emirates. So present chairman is Greg Barclay. Greg Barclay. So move to next question. Recently, which country successfully test-fired hypersonic cruise missile Zircon? So correct answer is Russia. So Russia recently successfully test-fired a hypersonic cruise missile Zircon. So apart from this, few months back, Russia is also in news because Russian jailed opposition leader Alexei Navalny won European Union's top human rights prize, Sakharov Prize. Alexei Navalny. Won European Union's at highest award, Sakharov Prize. It is a top human rights award in EU. Now let's talk about what participated Russia. President Vladimir Putin. Capital Moscow. Currency ruble. Move to next question. Who has won the 2021 National Book Award for Fiction? So correct answer is Jason Moot. So Jason Moot won National Book Award for Fiction for his novel Hell of a Book. Hell of a Book. This award is organized by National Book Foundation. Apart from this, recently Union Minister of Women and Child Development Smriti Irani released his first novel Lal Salam, a novel. Move to next question. Name the South African cricketer who recently retired from all forms of cricket. So correct answer is A.B. de Villiers. So recently A.B. de Villiers retired from all forms of international cricket. A.B. de Villiers is a South African cricket legend. So he holds the record of fastest player to score 50, 100 and 150 in ODI cricket, and is also named as a Wisden Cricketer of the Decade. Cricketer of the Decade for 2010. So now let's talk about some other important sports point. Recently, West Indian cricketer Bravo also retired from international cricket. Bravo. He plays for Chennai Super Kings, CSK in IPL. Played a prominent role in CSK winning IPL trophy, and apart from this, recently Tamil Nadu won TN1 Syed Mustaf Ali T20 trophy, beating Karnataka. And apart from this, recently Australia won T20 World Cup, beating New Zealand in the final. And apart from this, recently Rohit Sharma become the first Indian to score 150 sixes in T20 cricket. So that's it. PDF of the lecture can be downloaded from our Telegram channel. The link has been given in the description box. Please check it. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get new video notification. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel.